Let's head to the crypto space now. Normally it would be a red, but it's been a red trading day all through. So I don't know if it will be different today, laddie.
Well, it's a red Friday, as we always, our Fridays, we always look out for the red or green, but it's mostly red.
That's why I did red on.
And yeah, you actually got the right color today. And it's extreme fear as usual in this market for the couple of past months now. We've been in extreme fear. 12 points this morning. Market cap deeper down, trying to get back to that $1 trillion mark we've not seen in a while. It's down 5% this morning. Volume traded up 51%. And my eyes on this Bitcoin dominance there. See, it's been trending up, and it's at 46 points for 6% this morning. Price of Bitcoin, $28,800. It did fall below that 28,500 support. It's down 2% this morning. The next one will be the 27,000. That's what we'll be looking at. $42 billion traded in Bitcoin this morning. Price of Ethereum is also down 8%. We see volume traded $28.04 billion. And we see it's all red with big losses on the top AllSpy market cap. Let's bring in Olumide Adesina, our financial market analyst. Hello, Olumide. Good morning.
Yeah. Hello, laddie.
Yeah. Well, this Friday is looking quite bloody with massive losses we're seeing, in the crypto market. Olumide, it seems there's more pain in this market.
Yeah. Understand the fact that Bitcoin and many altcoins are suffering some form of moderation, in spite of the fact that we saw UX stocks ending positive. One would have expected that the crypto market would have ended green. But I think there are three macros we need to look at. First, we have seen that liquidity is really drying up in the crypto market. Also, the Terra collapse has affected the Ethereum network. You need to understand the systemic importance Ethereum plays in the NFT space. And that's why, surprisingly, we saw Solana's NFT volume surpassing that of Ethereum. And that also triggered selling pressures around DeFi assets because they are solely on the Ethereum network. And having said that, macros coming from powerful investment analysts, especially one from Gunum Partners. They have over 350 billion assets under management. Their chief investment officer gave an outlook that Bitcoin could fall as low as 8,000 because of the strong U.S. economy and the fact that the U.S. Fed is more concerned about taming inflation. Also gave much investors some form of anxiety. So pretty much, the crypto market is trading at 1.2 trillion. And it seems that more downward pressure might likely occur if the US Fed carries the action in June.
Right, that seems to be the consensus of most analysts, right? But how are you seeing next week play out?
Well, next week will quickly be quiet. We expect a choppy session, particularly among a lot of altcoins. But for Bitcoin, I think the price to watch is if it can maintain above 28, well, it means that all hell will not be loose. But once it breaks below 28, then I think the dynamos might start falling.
Right. All right, Olumide, thank you so much. Enjoy your weekend.
Thank you.
Okay, so looking at the gainers list, we see it's mostly stable coins. That shows you that traders are running away from most of those altcoins and Bitcoin at this point. They're trying to get some stability, even though we've seen a lot of crazy times with stable coins in this market. We see it's mostly stable coins on the top gainers counter, but PaxG is up there, up by 0.38%. And over to the top losers counter, we see UST, the stable coin that caused all of the racket in that stablecoin market, is back down again, 62% this morning. GMT, that's the one of those play to earn tokens. It's down about 28%, and Elrond there down 16%. Rune, and we have Ape there. Ape coin down 14%. So we're seeing massive double-digit losses in the crypto market. So it's really red right now in this market, and it seems the weekend might even be worse.
If there's a word like redder. Sometimes I can't believe that. On this chair, we sat down and talked about Bitcoin going for about $65,000 and now we're struggling to get to $30,000
Yeah.
in just a couple of months.
And all eyes on that critical 28,000 at this point.
Yeah, as Olumide mentioned there, 28,000. I mean, these are days when you learn lessons. So even if
Exactly.
we get out of this season and things look rosy again, you know, there's a possibility of it.
You must remember the bear.
I remember the bear.
The bear will always come back.
Thank you so much, Ladi. Well, that's it on the program for this week. It's been an interesting ride for me. I hope it has been for you also. Lots of knowledge shared and gained on the different conversations that we've had here on Business Morning. Next week, we'll have another set of conversations for you from Channels Television. Thank you so much. Enjoy your weekend. I'm Ini John Mekwa.